Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddle Series, featuring the Halo Pro and Halo Control models, is designed for players seeking precision, power, and spin. These paddles utilize a carbon fiber face with a RevCore power polymer core, offering a perfect blend of durability, responsiveness, and control. The carbon fiber surface enhances spin capabilities, making it easier to execute advanced shots with consistency. The Halo Pro caters to players who prioritize power and spin, ideal for aggressive gameplay and offensive strategies. The paddle's lightweight design ensures swift maneuverability while maintaining enough heft for impactful strikes. The Halo Control, on the other hand, focuses on precision and ball placement, making it a great choice for players emphasizing finesse and control during rallies. It provides a softer touch and greater accuracy for dinks and drop shots. Both models are ergonomically designed for comfort and performance, featuring a well-balanced structure that minimizes wrist strain during prolonged gameplay. The paddles are tailored for various skill levels, appealing to both recreational and competitive players. Key features include enhanced spin technology, superior edgeguard durability, and a textured surface for a reliable grip on the ball. The paddles are also lightweight, ensuring ease of use without compromising power or control. Overall, the SLK Halo paddles combine cutting-edge materials with thoughtful design, making them a versatile option for pickleball enthusiasts who value spin, consistency, and adaptability on the court. Whether focusing on control or power, the Halo series caters to a wide range of playstyles. Number 2. This pickleball paddle set offers a USAPA-approved design, ensuring quality and compliance for recreational and competitive play. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface, providing a balanced combination of power, control, and durability. The fiberglass face enhances responsiveness, making it suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced enthusiasts. The paddles are equipped with a polypropylene honeycomb core, which delivers excellent shock absorption and a lightweight feel. This core construction reduces arm fatigue, allowing for extended play sessions without discomfort. The set's paddles are designed to accommodate various playstyles, offering reliable performance for power hits, dinks, and volleys. Ergonomics are a standout feature, with comfortable, anti-slip handles that ensure a secure grip and minimize strain during intense rallies. The paddles are well balanced for agility and ease of use, making them suitable for both men and women. The set typically includes additional accessories like balls and a carrying case, offering great value for players seeking a complete package. The inclusion of these extras makes it an ideal choice for casual games, family gatherings, or introducing new players to the sport. Durable, lightweight, and designed for consistent performance, this pickleball paddle set is versatile and user-friendly. Its fiberglass construction and thoughtful design cater to a wide audience, making it a great option for players looking to improve their skills or simply enjoy the game. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a comprehensive set designed for players seeking quality and convenience. It includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a carrying bag, making it ideal for beginners and casual players. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, which delivers excellent control, precision, and responsiveness. The graphite surface enhances ball contact, providing a smooth and consistent feel, especially for finesse shots. Paired with a polymer RevCore, the paddles offer a balanced combination of power and control. This core ensures durability, effective shock absorption, and a lightweight construction for extended play without fatigue. Ergonomically designed, the paddles include a comfortable grip for secure handling during intense rallies. The lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability, catering to a wide range of playstyles and skill levels. The bundle's 3 durable pickleballs are designed for reliable performance on various court surfaces, ensuring a consistent bounce and flight. The included carrying bag adds convenience, providing a compact and portable solution for transporting equipment. Key features of the SLK Latitude paddles include a well-balanced structure, versatility for power and control, and an accessible design that appeals to both men and women. This bundle offers great value for players looking for a ready-to-play set, whether for recreational use or skill development. Overall, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle combines quality materials, thoughtful design, and practical accessories, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to enjoy pickleball with ease and style. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddles are designed to deliver high performance and comfort for players at all skill levels. Featuring a graphite carbon fiber face, these paddles offer a combination of power, precision, and exceptional control. The graphite surface enhances the responsiveness of the paddle, ensuring an accurate and consistent ball hit for both power shots and delicate dinks. The polymer core construction of the paddles provides excellent shock absorption, reducing vibrations on impact and offering a softer feel. This design contributes to extended playtime without hand or arm fatigue, making the paddles suitable for both casual and competitive players. A key feature of the Onix Mod Z5 paddles is their cushion comfort grip. This ergonomic grip ensures a secure, comfortable hold, reducing strain and allowing for better control during intense rallies. The cushion provides a soft touch, enhancing comfort and minimizing the risk of blisters or discomfort during prolonged use. The paddles are also lightweight, which enhances maneuverability and allows players to react quickly during fast-paced games. The balanced weight distribution and aerodynamic design make it easier to handle the paddle, providing more consistent play. These paddles are approved for USAPA-sanctioned play, ensuring they meet the standards required for tournament and competitive environments. Whether you're playing casually with friends or competing in leagues, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is designed to improve your performance and elevate your game. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 paddles offer a high-quality combination of graphite carbon fiber face, polymer core, and comfortable grip, making them a great choice for players looking for a balanced, reliable, and comfortable pickleball paddle. Number 5. The Jola Essentials Pickleball Paddles are designed for players seeking a durable, high-performance paddle at an affordable price. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which provides an excellent balance of power and control. The fiberglass surface enhances responsiveness, allowing for precise ball placement, whether you're executing powerful smashes or soft dinks. The paddles are equipped with a honeycomb polypropylene core, known for its ability to absorb shock and reduce vibrations. This core design not only enhances comfort during play but also contributes to the paddle's lightweight and balanced feel. The polypropylene material offers durability, ensuring the paddles maintain their performance over time while withstanding the rigors of frequent use. Ergonomically designed, the paddles come with a comfortable grip that provides a secure hold, minimizing hand strain and allowing for better control during extended play sessions. The lightweight design of the paddles makes them easy to maneuver, making them suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to intermediate players. The Jola Essentials Pickleball Paddles are also approved for USAPA-sanctioned play, ensuring they meet the standards for both recreational and competitive games. This makes them a reliable option for players looking to improve their game or participate in organized events. Overall, the Jola Essentials Pickleball Paddles offer a solid combination of reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and comfortable grip. These features make them an excellent choice for players looking for a dependable and affordable paddle to enhance their pickleball experience. Whether for casual play or competitive matches, these paddles provide the performance and comfort needed to excel on the court.